Hello, my dear friends and respected teachers. Today, I, Vani Jain, is going to present you the cuisine of Meghalaya, Thukpa. So, further ado, let's start with a small introduction about this dish. Introduction. Thukpa is a special clear noodle soup that is made with a mixture of vegetables and may include wheat. This dish is an extremely popular dish in most of the countries around the Himalayan region, such as Tibet, Nepal, and Bhutan. In India, this dish is quite commonly found in states like Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim. Before we start cooking the recipe, let's take a peek at its ingredients. So for this, we need Maggi masala, capsicum, coriander, peas, carrots, 2 glasses of water and ketchup. The quantities of the ingredients is mentioned in the table. Let me tell you the number of nutrients this dish has. 46.3 grams of carbohydrates, 11.7 grams of fat, 5.8 grams of proteins, 3.6 grams of fiber, 1.4 grams of sugar, and lastly, maximum 2 glasses of water. Hello everyone, this is Vani Jain and welcome to my cooking video. Today we are going to make a cuisine of Meghalaya, Thukpa. So, the ingredients needed for this is onion, capsicum, carrots, coriander, ketchup, Maggi masala, boiled peas, and of course Maggi. So, let's start. So here I have a pan. I'll just open the lid. Now I'm going to pour in the water. So this is approximately 2 glasses of water. And now I'm going to on the gas. I'm going to cover this with lid. Done. And now we are going to wait for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes. So, my water is boiled now. And I'm just going to open the lid carefully. And now I'm going to add all the vegetables. So, I'm just going to add onion. Capsicum. Carrots. Done. And now I'm going to wait for another 2 minutes for all the vegetables to boil. So I'll just do this. I'll just mix it a bit. And now I'm going to wait for another 2 minutes. I'll put the lid back on and on the gas on a bit low flame. And now let's wait. After 2 minutes. So now I just open the lid to check how much the vegetables are boiled. Okay, so they are boiled and I think it's really nice. So now I'm going to add the Maggi. I'm just going to use a spoon to add it. Now I'm going to add Maggi masala. So this is the Maggi masala. And this is 1.5 packet of Maggi masala. I'm just going to add it. I'm going to use a spoon. Good. So now I'm just going to stir it. And now I'm just going to keep it for boiling and for another 5 to 2 minutes. And going to put the lid back on after 5 minutes. So now I'm just going to put off the lid. So I'm just going to see if it's ready. I'm just going to stir it. So for me it looks like it's ready and the peas are also nicely boiled. So what I'm going to do is just turn off the gas. And I'm going to put the lid on. So inside it, it's just going to buff and the taste will be very yummy and delicious. So let's wait. So now I'm just going to put the lid off and I think it's already ready. So I'm going to use a cloth and I'm just just going to pour this. So I have poured the Maggi into a bowl, and now I'm going to add the toppings. So I'm just going to add the sauce, and done. And now I'm just going to mix it. So I have to be very careful with this so it doesn't gets messy. So I'm just going to mix it, and now I'm going to garnish this with the coriander. So I'm just going to garnish this really gently. And done. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Bye and thank you for watching.